welcome back to my Affinity Designer for Sewing Patterns series. I had a request off one of my subscribers today. They asked how to measure a line or a curve on your work. I was just going to answer them privately, but I thought maybe I would just do a really quick tutorial on this, just in case anyone else is wondering, so I can show you really quickly now how to do that. So I'm going to show you how to do it on a simple line, I'll show you how to do it on a curve, and I'll also show you how to do it on a line that is like part of your project already. So for this I'm just going to do it on my hem if you want to see how long this line here is. So if we show a simple line first, so if we just click somewhere, I'm going to press shift and come along here, just to keep it straight, and then you're going to go to the move tool, and now it's selected, and then if you come to this right hand corner, this box here where it says transform, these are where all your handy measurements will be. So we now know that this width of the line is 54.59 centimeters. So now it's really easy to change it to something specific if you need it to be. So say if you want it to be 65, just press that in there and it will change it to it. What's interesting as well, I thought I would just say, is the X and the Y axes. It's another way of moving something quite easy. So say for example you want to duplicate something to make a square. So if you press Control J, that's now duplicated this line. And then if you come to the Y axis and then go to 85, it'll keep it in line with that same line. So it's really easy to make squares and rectangles like that. And then if you can do it the other way. So if you join these up, click here, come back up to here, come to the move tool, Control J to duplicate it, and then if we come to the X axis and just go 75, that'll move it up to there. Also remember you can just press shift and move it, and then it'll click into place. So that's a quick simple way of measuring your lines and also making rectangles. The same principles work for a curve. So if you press here, press and hold, don't let go, to make yourself a curve, and then press the move tool, so you've now got this random shape, and then again you know how wide it is, 50.38, and your height is 12.16. These can be linked together, so if you want to change, at the moment they're unlinked, so if you press 60 on your width, that'll only stretch that. However, if you press undo and you link them, if you press 60 on there, it'll also change the height, so it's kind of symmetrical and stays to scale. And then if you want to measure something specifically on your pattern, say if you've got a pattern block and you want to know how long it is, if you come to your curve, so if I go to my back piece, then come down here and go to curve, you can, a really quick way of doing this is to actually just draw on top of it and press move, and so that's 29.03. I'll delete that. But if you want to be super accurate, so you make sure you don't get anything wrong, you can go to the node tool, and then that makes all the nodes of the whole shape come up, and press and drag over the line you want to measure. Come up here to break curve. Now because there's a random node in the middle of this line, that's going to make it 2 lines. So if you press both of those, join those together to make 1 line, and then if you come to the move tool, and you know that they're same again, 29.03. And so if you need to make the whole thing bigger, say if you needed that to be 30, just press 30, and then come to the other part of the curve, press the node tool, and then you can just drag that out to meet it, or if you want to do all of it, just drag up to the edge and then press shift and drag outwards. Oh, sorry, just get rid of that. Press shift, drag out and join it together. And then don't forget you want to click both of these, press Control Shift both, and then you want to close the curve to make it all one piece. Oh, sorry, I'm just going to undo that. You want to join the curve, sorry, not close the curve. So yeah, that's how you do that. If you have any questions or if you have any suggestions, things you want to know about Affinity Designer, comment down below and I'll be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.